What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. Hey, I have an exciting video for you guys today. I'm currently at Best Buy right now picking up a pre-built PC. This PC is going to be for graphic design for the YouTube channel and for Instagram. This will allow me to make more merch and different types of hats and clothing. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the computer and I'll be doing some testing. If you guys can, come along for the ride, subscribe, like, comment. I'm so stoked. Let's do it. All right, guys, and just like that, I got the computer. I'm gonna load this puppy up in my daily Prius. Oh, pretty heavy, about 45 pounds. All right, let's do the unboxing. I'll see you in the next clip. All right, we just made it back from Best Buy. Let's do the unboxing of this Thermaltake custom pre-built PC. Thermaltake is a brand that makes different components for computers, but they also make pre-built PCs. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this computer and see what it comes with. This model is the 9580S-380XL. The 380XL is the case. It's one of the newer cases. So let's open this up. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So first, we'll start right here. All right, pretty easy. Got the top. Got some nice packaging right here. Some foam. More foam. All right, this is the computer right here. Let's go ahead and tilt that for you guys. All right, there it is. Let's take this off out of the box. Okay, so now here it is. We have our new Thermaltake custom pre-built PC. So this model, the 9580S-380XL, this one comes with a AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D processor. That's one of AMD's newest processors, and it comes with a video card of a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. So that GPU is really good for video editing, and same with the processor. This computer is more for gaming, but you can also do a lot of production for editing, Photoshop, 3D modeling, 3D scaling. So that's why I chose that processor and that GPU. So let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. It says this side up, fragile. So make sure you read the box. All right, this might be kind of difficult, so bear with me. Yeah, this is heavy. Let's see how I can do this. I might have to destroy this box, guys, or just lift up. So let's lift up first before I destroy this box. All right. So that was that. Hit that box to the side. So we got the manual. Take off this cushion. Take off this cushion. Be careful. All right. Got some pretty nice cushions. Go ahead and toss that to the side. Ta-da! All right, we have some instructions. We have a quick start guide. Congratulations on getting your new Thermaltake PC. Before we start setting up, please make sure to remove all foam materials inside the system and inspect the PC to make sure your components are all properly connected and not damaged. So now we're going to go ahead and start taking out some of this stuff. Need help removing the glass panels? Should be pretty easy. I think it'll be this one. I think it's just this one. Step 1. We need to remove all this packaging in here. And I'm pretty sure we have to connect some stuff still. So what I want to do first, it says, need help removing the glass panels? Scan me. So let's do that first. Cool. Okay, so we got step 1. We're going to take off that panel first. So this company is really thorough onto what to do once you get your computer, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and follow these steps. So it says, let's see, step 1, locate the 2 top panel mounting thumb screws on the back of the case and loosen to slide the top panel off. All right, so let's do that first. We got this one first. Now locate and unscrew the single side panel mounting screw on the top of the case. Let's see where that is. All right, so take off those 2, pop this up. Okay. Now let's see, step 2. Go ahead and unloosen. So go ahead and take off these 2. All right, boom. So let's take out this stuff right here. Okay. We gotta take out all this stuff. So let's go ahead and, it's the GPU. Take that out. I thought the GPU was gonna be a white one. Whatever. Okay, these are all my screws, power supply. All right, let's take this out. Be careful. Be careful with this stuff. Oh, that was wild. Okay, cool. So think we're good. The GPU already looks like it's connected, which is the, the video card. So let's see what the steps say. So steps said, step 1, remove the sides. Step 2, remove the top. Step 3, remove the sides so we can get to these big panels. The front of the glass, okay. Everything looks connected. Step 4, the front of the glass can, okay, remove the screws. Okay. Before we begin setting up, please remove all the foam. That's done. And inspect the PC to make sure the components are connected and not damaged. Okay, we're good. Now this is interesting. Step 1, connect monitors. Connect your monitor directly to the appropriate ports of the graphics card. Do not plug your monitor into the graphics port on your motherboard. It is, yeah, duh. Okay, yeah, I think we're straight then. You don't have to do anything. Like with some computers, you have to connect your GPU to the motherboard, but from reading this, it seems like everything's already connected. You just have to seal it back up and connect your monitor and your mouse and all that. Plug it into the wall. We're good to go. So let's go ahead and put everything back together and move forward. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this back. This top part. Now I'm gonna put the side back on. Which goes. Oh, you know what we gotta do? Take off this. Check it out, guys. Wow. I actually probably should have left that on. I could have engraved on it with my laser, but it's all good. Brand spanking new. You don't want to leave this on because it'll probably thermal your computer. Make sure you take off that plastic. All right. Oh wow, look at that. So this bottom has to come on first, and then I gotta take that off. So let's do that again. Go off this. Brand spanking new. Take off this. Shabam. Easy money, guys, easy money. So that's it. Go ahead, put this screw back on, thumb screw. Make sure everything's tight too. You don't want anything loose. Don't over tighten it also. Okay. These guys go back right here. Like so. Okay. Now let's put on the top cover again. This guy goes right here. Just like that. Okay. We've got these 2 thumb screws. Pretty easy, guys. You know, sometimes things kind of can look a little bit overwhelming, but you just, follow the steps, follow the process, and then by the time you know it, you're done. Pretty easy. All right, locked and loaded. I'm just doing this one because I took it off by mistake earlier. All right. And that's it, guys. So right here, like I said, we have the power supply and some more parts for the computer. Let's actually check it out and see what we got. In this bag, we got some extra parts for your computer if you ever want to take things off and redo some stuff. That's really neat. We have the power supply plugged into the wall. Well, the power supply is inside the computer, but this is, you know, the plug for the computer. That goes to the power supply. Here we go, we got some more stuff. We have a cable, which I gotta find out what this is for. Designed for, oh, this is for, I believe if you want to do another hard drive inside. Could be wrong. What is this? Looks like a stylus, but it's probably some type of tool. This is a, not sure. I'll look it up later. I'll let you guys know. We have some more cables, extra cables. We have this, what is this? Probably just a little add-on. I think it goes, yeah, I'm not sure, I'll look it up later. And then what fell on the floor. We have another one of these, almost, I think it's a tool. So I'll look it up later and I'll show you guys what it is. But that's it, guys. So, guys and girls, this computer comes with these tools and accessories, extra stuff, and the plug. And with this instruction guide, and then it also comes with this little guy right here. So that's it. That's the full unboxing of this computer. It's been a long time coming. I haven't had a new PC in more than a decade, I think, or about 8 years. So I try to use my stuff until I just can't use it anymore. And my old PC was just running really slow. If I try to do anything complicated with really cool designs, it would freeze up. So this thing is going to be a powerhouse. I mean, look at that. That is nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug this into the wall, test it, and go from there. What up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Tunnel. You guys ready? Oh, that's the back window. No!